Ichiran! Ichiran for the first time! So, taste test. So refreshing. Wow! We're here outside! And it's getting cold again! Wow! Okay, so right now guys, tapos na tayo sa Taipei 101 Observatory and let's head to Ichiran! Yay! So it's been a dream of mine din, char, to try Ichiran. Sa Japan sana, pero since Taiwan yung nauna, so sa Taiwan tayo mag-Ichiran. So we will be going there right now. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kataas yung Taipei 101. Wow! Tapos, ito yung view ng Taipei 101. It's so alive! Tang! Dugs, 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 dugs. Ang taas! Ayun! But before heading to Ichiran, let's walk around first here. Kasi ang ganda guys, tingnan nyo. Oh, the lights are so pretty. Tang! Tingnan nyo. Diba? Look at the lights here guys, ang alive. Oh, di ba ang ganda? So we're heading now to Ichiran. Tapos ang lamig. Grabe. Pila na lang ka degrees? Oh, 9. Still 9 degrees. Hey guys, kanais jud maglakaw-lakaw dire. It's so pretty. So here, right after sa Taipei 101, you will walk here sa Sea Niña Plaza if you are planning also to try or to go sa Ichiran. So ayan siya. So this is the Sea Niña Plaza. So yan, cross lang tayo dyan.
With a breeze.
Okay.
Breeze lang siya.
So let's go. Tatawid tayo. La, faster! Ay! Stop na na! Ay, go, go, go! So, more lights here. Amazing. Tingnan nyo yung sky nila dito, guys. Oh, so Breeza is... Breeza or Breeze?
Breeze.
Breeze. Ah, parang mall din to.
Happy donut. Happy house donuts.
Holidays? Okay, parang mall din siya. Okay. So, so dyan yung Taipei 101. Pwede rin kayo mag-shortcut dyan din. Eto na. Oy, I think dire oh.
Dire.
Wow! Hala! Welcome to IT Park Cebu!
Oh yeah, beauty.
Oo, di ba?
Soko siya.
Wow, nice. Lalo dito. Wow! Hala, nindot lagi dire mo. I think I saw the Ichiran. There. I think that's it. Ay, dili po di oy. Ay, dili na mo, Ichiran. Hey besties, so we're here na at Ichiran. So, try natin. Let's see. Mingo, no? Siyempre, we're not in Japan. Okay, try natin mag-Ichiran. Hello, good evening. 2. Thank you. So they gave us order form. So,
Right side.
right side. Thank you. Hi. Okay. So we're here. Ah. So you need to fill this out para yan yung iserve nila. Recommended. Ichiran.
Ichiran na?
Kaning 142? Okay. Hey besties, so we are done filing or filling it out. Then we will wait for our order now.
Okay.
So, dyan. They will pick it up. Ayan. Okay, so they closed the door. Parang window. So they also gave us this one. So hi, we're here. Ichiran for the first time. So my draft beer is here. Actually, share kami ni Jan. Hi. So taste test. Yeah. I'll try na lang din.
Weird and bro, those.
Beer. Hi ka. My seatmate. So, feel na ko kayo. I think our order is here. Yay! Sushi. Wow! Sulit na po. Di ba? Oo din. So, yung Ichiran pala guys is para siyang a place para sa mga introvert. Kasi, siya, parang one by one yung seats niya. Ganun. So, parang no cheating. Kung sa classroom pa to, bawal lumabas. No cheating. Here, so our food is here. Ay, sa kanya. Nag-rice. So, we ordered pala rice. Yan. So, my rice is here. Tapos, eto. And we don't know kung ilan yung babayaran niya. Here. The food is here. So, they will close that window after they will serve each food. We have here egg. Parang pork siya. Then, seaweed. So, extra pork din siya, no? Extra pork. Then, I ordered rice. Tapos, ayan. Noodles. So, I guess the receipt is already here. Oh! 690? Ay, because I ordered beer. Ayan. So, my total is 690. Paano ko ito bayaran? Okay na ni Uy. Daog na ni Uy. Okay, panagsara ni. Okay, sige. Go. Let's eat. So, they provide as chopstick. So, let's put the egg here sa ating noodles. Let's eat. So, mix natin. So, parang may spiciness yung noodles ko ngayon. So, my choices sila guys, like, you want ba a thick noodles or hindi? So, sa akin, mild lang. Bumi kasi. Guys, if ever pumunta kayo ng Taiwan, you can try Ichiran here. Malapit lang siya sa Taipei 101. Tapos, ang bilis ng serving, no? Try natin yung soup. So refreshing. Kaya ang lamig sa labas. So eto, yung seatmate ko. Hi, say hi ka.
Hi.
So parang lang, same lang kami ng order, di ba? Parang ubos na yung rice eh. Sige guys, I'll eat first. Try natin yung meat nila guys. Wow, ang lambot. Sarap pa eh. Pwede anli. So Ichiran is a Japanese, parang Japanese food siya. Very famous siya sa Japan. And since medyo hindi pa tayo makapunta ng Japan, so why not try natin dito sa Taiwan? Sarap. As a Filipino, of course, rice is life. So we have here seaweeds. Yan. 4 pieces na seaweeds. So ito guys, binigyan kami ng cup. So ito, it's a water. So try natin if gagana. Char. How to open it? Ah, okay. Ayan. So only water. Ay, is it water ba? Sana tea, no?
Water.
Water. Okay. Taste test ng water nila. Sa mukha yun. Lasang Japan. Ito, update. New. Tingnan nyo. Versus kay Jan. Wow! Niyabo.
Ikaon ba?
Ichiran! We are now on our way to pay our bill. So here. So sa akin is 690 NTD. Here's the cashier. Shishi. So, ay, ari na din. Okay, so here. Exit. Whoa, amazing! Ay.
Push.
Wow! Kalay siya. We are so amazed of everything here. So, yan. Busog na tayo. So, sa akin, 690 yung nabayaran ko. Tapos sa'yo, how much?
605.
605
Wala
NTD.
kasi akong draft beer.
Okay, oo. Ako kasi nag-order ako ng draft beer. Ang lamig again. Okay, so now that's the conclusion of our day 4. So, ayan, nag-Ichiran kami. You guys can check it if you are here in Taiwan and if gusto nyong matry yung Ichiran. So, yan. Dito kayo. Near Taipei 101 lang. So, here's the Ichiran. Tapos, yun Taipei 101 na siya. So, ayan. Malapit lang. Tagay, kanagay. Taipei 101, tapos Taipei 102. Oh, we're now here in Paris. Pyramid. Yay, more energy. Okay, guys. So, that's it, guys. See you on our next vlog. Yay! Tomorrow, we will try bullet train. Because we are going to Kaohsiung. It's like a 1 hour and basta almost 2 hours siya na bullet train ride going there. So I'm so excited. Maka-try tayo ng bullet train. Yay! That's it, guys. Bye. See you on the next vlog. Okay, guys. That's it. See you on our next vlog. Bye.